Could your yard lights be changing how bugs use their DNA?
Let's talk about some nocturnal genes in action. Animals from insects to rodents to bats have evolved to be nocturnal, meaning that they're more active during the night than they are during the day. They often take light cues from the sun and the moon to direct their behavior, feeding patterns, and movement. But these animals can become confused by our home and city lights. And the more we look, the more that we find that artificial lighting is affecting not just animal behavior, but also their genomes. Scientists studying crickets found that dim pulses of artificial light at night could affect how the crickets were expressing circadian rhythm genes. They suspect that these genetic changes are also likely affecting the awake and asleep patterns of these crickets. And a group studying sandy beach-dwelling beetles looked at their ratios of RNA to DNA as a method of studying their health. They found that exposure to artificial light changed how the beetles take in nutrients and food. So how can you reduce your impact on your local nocturnal communities? You can make sure that your lights are directed down at the ground and use motion sensors to make sure you're only using light when you need it. What kinds of animal and human interactions do you want us to look into next?